guys. So I just want to make a quick video showcasing the Husky Fe501 and the TX300 build. These trikes we built a couple years ago, they actually really changed the game for us. We had a video go viral and it hit over 2 million people. Hopefully you can enjoy these pictures. We're very limited on video clips. This was, again, a few years ago, but we're going to be doing more of these in the future, so keep an eye out for these builds. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to us and comment, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate all the feedback. If you have any ideas for future builds, definitely post it in the comments or shoot us an email. More than happy to hear some suggestions, and definitely keep them in mind. Thanks, guys. To send a shout out to Binky Tapscott, the owner of these machines. He has an amazing collection, and he took a chance on us when he sent us I think like 4 or 5 bikes in one shot to do trike builds for him. He now has a handful of our builds in his collection. Definitely check him out on Facebook, and it's just amazing the collection he has. So check out these pictures. And again, thank you, Binky, for all the support. We appreciate it.